Number 1. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $8,988. It features a gray exterior complemented by a matching gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck holds a clean title, reflecting a well-kept ownership history. The Ranger is an extended cab model, providing extra space for gear or additional passengers, making it both practical and versatile. Inside, the cabin offers a comfortable seating arrangement with excellent visibility, while the overall build emphasizes Ford's reputation for reliability and ease of maintenance. Despite its compact size, this Ranger delivers strong towing and hauling capability, and it remains fuel-efficient and ideal balance for both daily use and light-duty work. In terms of condition, the truck starts right up and runs smoothly with strong performance on the road. It has been regularly maintained, including recent service work such as an oil change. Number 2. 1968 Ford F100, price $10,000. This truck is an exceptional example of a classic American pickup, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. Powered by a Mustang 302 V8 engine equipped with a mild cam and a new 4-barrel carburetor, it delivers strong, reliable performance. The truck features an automatic transmission, Flowmaster dual exhaust system, and offers smooth handling with power steering and power brakes. A true daily driver, this F100 runs flawlessly with no leaks or rust and requires no additional work. It rides on classic steel wheels with original caps, enhancing its vintage charm. With its well-preserved body, upgraded components, and dependable mechanical condition, this 1968 Ford F100 stands out as a turnkey classic ready to be enjoyed on the road. Number 3. 1999 Dodge Dakota, price $6,000, powered by the legendary 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 94,000 miles on the odometer, this low-mileage example offers an impressive blend of performance and classic style. Finished in sleek black with a gray interior, it comes equipped with power windows and locks, combining vintage charm with modern convenience. This Dakota has been sitting for a few years and could use some light TLC, but it still runs strong, sounds great, and turns heads wherever it goes. The exterior was repainted by a previous owner, and while the clear coat shows a bit of orange peel and a few rough spots, the truck maintains a solid, eye-catching presence overall. With its bold stance, throaty V8 rumble, and unmistakable Dodge attitude. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1997 Ford F150, price $7,900. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. It runs and drives excellently with no mechanical issues, showing impressive condition both inside and out for its age. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable 5.0L V8 engine that delivers consistent performance. The vehicle has a clean title in hand and has been recently serviced, making it ready for the road. It also comes with brand new tires all around, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. Comfort and convenience are enhanced with power windows and locks, cold air conditioning, and a fully functional heating system. There are no warning lights on the dashboard, indicating that everything is in proper working order. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,980. This truck has been locally owned in Washington its entire life and remains a rare find in such clean condition. Showing 258,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong thanks to its dependable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable work truck or an everyday driver that delivers the classic durability and toughness the Silverado line is known for. The LS trim adds extra comfort and convenience, while the extended cab and short bed provide the perfect balance of passenger space and utility. Despite its age, the vehicle is clean inside and out, reflecting how well it has been maintained over the years. Number 6. 1972 Ford F100, price $5,000. This truck has approximately 65,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior matched with a red interior, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine and configured with rear-wheel drive. The truck holds a clean title and remains largely original. The engine runs and drives, though it has never been modified or rebuilt, preserving its authentic 1970s character. The body and bed show some rust, particularly on the floor pans, yet the frame remains solid. Inside, the original bench seat is still in place but will need reupholstery to restore its comfort and appearance. Recent updates include a new battery and cables, a new solenoid, and a set of new tires, ensuring better reliability and road performance.
Number 7.
1963 Ford F100, price $10,000, features an automatic transmission and a turquoise exterior with a matching interior.
It's powered by an LS engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission for smooth performance.
The truck has a 2006 Crown Vic front suspension and a 1998 Explorer 8.8 rear end with 3.73 gears and limited slip, giving it improved handling and stability. Upgrades include a 1999 Blazer fuel tank mounted under the bed, a 1978 Bronco steering column with a new switch, a full American auto-wire harness, and a 3 MagnaFlow stainless muffler. The wiring was professionally done and includes an OBD2 diagnostic port. Body panels were aligned by a shop for perfect fitment, and the glass is in good shape. Inside, it has a complete gauge setup with oil, temp, speedo, tach, and fuel, plus built-in high beam and turn signal indicators.
Number 8.
1970 GMC 1500, price $8,500, finished in bright orange with a tan interior, powered by a dependable 292 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the column. It runs on gasoline and has been carefully maintained and refreshed in several key areas. The truck features a freshly rebuilt brake system and fuel system, ensuring reliable performance and safety. It rides on Corvette wheels with matching tires, giving it a distinctive and sporty stance. Other notable updates include LED taillights, a new aluminum radiator, and a new water pump and thermostat. The engine's top end has also been recently redone, contributing to smooth and consistent power delivery. Everything on this GMC functions exactly as it should, making it ready to drive home without issue. With minimal rust and solid overall condition, this classic pickup embodies the durability and timeless appeal of early 70s American trucks.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It features a blue exterior and interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a V8 engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox, it runs and shifts great. The previous owner lowered the suspension, giving it a nice stance and a sportier look. The truck has no major leaks or rust, only some minor paint chips and surface rust. Within the past year, it received many new parts, including a power steering pump, radiator, pinion seal, output shaft seal, oil pan gasket, steering components, valve guide seals, front brakes and calipers, and rear wheel cylinders. It just needs an alignment after the steering work.
Number 10.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $8,400. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 350 cubic inch gasoline engine, delivering that signature V8 power enthusiasts appreciate. This C10 has been lowered, giving it a more aggressive stance and a unique road presence.
Despite being over 51 years old, it still runs and drives well, a testament to Chevrolet's durable engineering.
Of course, as with any classic vehicle, there are minor imperfections that come with age, but it remains a solid and reliable driver. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new clutch, a fresh tune-up, and a rebuilt carburetor, all of which improve its performance and drivability.